Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to access ZArchiver data on your Android device. Modern Android versions, specifically from Android 11 onwards, have introduced stricter file access rules called scoped storage. This means that file managers like ZArchiver face limitations when trying to access certain system folders, most notably the Android/data and Android/ob directories. Understanding these changes is the first. To begin, you must grant ZArchiver the necessary permissions. Go to your phone settings, then locate the Apps section. Find ZArchiver in your list of applications and tap on it. Within its permissions, ensure you enable Files and Media and select Allow Management of all files. This is a critical step. Additionally, if you intend to install applications directly from archives, remember to also enable the Install Unknown Apps permission for ZArchiver. Now, let's connect your fish finder. First, cut the red positive wire a few inches from the battery and install your inline fuse holder. Next, attach a ring terminal to the red wire and connect it securely to the battery's positive terminal. Do the same for the black negative wire, connecting it to the battery's negative terminal. Crimp all connections firmly and use heat shrink tubing to protect them from moisture and corrosion. If you still face difficulties, a common troubleshooting step is to uninstall updates for your phone's built-in Files application. This can sometimes fix issues with permission dialogues. For straightforward file transfers, connecting your Android device to a personal computer is always a dependable option. While rooting your device provides complete, unrestricted file access, it is a more advanced process that carries certain risks and is generally not recommended for average users.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.